Hello, good morning students. As you know, in this previous modules we were discussing about earthquake, the violent shaking or trembling of the earth's surface due to the movement of the rocks beneath the earth. Now earthquake, children, can cause tsunamis, landslides and volcanic eruption. Now what is tsunami, which we are going to discuss in this module? Tsunamis are earthquakes underneath the seas and ocean, and due to that there is a major, the waves of the sea and ocean, they start rising and they start moving in a greater height and moving towards the shore and wash away everything which comes on the shore. It's also a natural disaster which we have no control on it. There was a major tsunami in India in 2004 on 26th of December. There was an earthquake in the Indian Ocean near the Sumatra Islands of Indonesia. Children, just see that Indonesia is not a neighboring country of India. Though it is in Asia, the western part of Asia. But there was an earthquake in the ocean, Indian Ocean, and the waves, started rising, moving towards all direction, coming towards the shore and swept away things, people, boats, ships in the shores of Tamil Nadu and also in Kerala. It was a major disaster. Tsunamis are very common in Japan, Indonesia, because as we discussed, there is frequent earthquake in this Pacific zone, Pacific Ocean zone. So these countries, there are major tsunamis. You must have seen, or just go through the Google and you will see that excuse me, in Japan there was a major tsunami. They have major tsunamis, and in that tsunami the cars, the buses were washed away. Not only that, even the nuclear plants where they generate atomic power, those industries were shaken and they were damaged. It was a major destruction in Japan. Now what is tsunami, children? There are a series of huge sea waves. As you know, in oceans and seas there are waves. Now the huge waves are caused by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruption. So when there is a volcanic eruption or maybe an earthquake underneath the sea and ocean, so the waves which are moving in a gentle fashion, they start rising because there is a shake in the water underneath the sea. As due to the violent shaking of the rocks underneath the earth, the land surface starts shaking. Similarly, when there is an earthquake, when there is a major shaking of the tectonic planes in the ocean, beneath the ocean, the waves also start shaking and it start rising higher and higher, and they come in a major way and swept on the shore and take away everything. Children, even this tsunami which happened, which I am discussing in 2004, in Andaman and Nicobar Islands also, there was a major disasters. Hotels, buildings were just washed away, swept away. I'll show you some pictures where you can see how a place near the sea is washed away. You can see the boat broken into pieces and buildings collapsed. These are some of the buildings, maybe the hotels near the sea, because sea beaches people go to visit. There are tourist interest, and you can see major destruction due to tsunami. Okay, so whatever comes on its way just swept away. So nowadays when there is a cyclone or an earthquake or maybe volcanic eruption, there is a warning of tsunamis, because then the water, if there is water bodies in the surrounding areas, the seas and oceans, the wave starts rising and then they come towards the shore. As I'm going to show you how huge waves are moving towards the seashore, and it will wash away people, building, boats and whatever. Even in Japan the vehicles were washed away. So you can see this is a scene of tsunami. So tsunami is also a natural disaster which is caused due to earthquake or volcanic eruption in the sea underneath. These waves can travel thousands of kilometers. It has happened some thousands of kilometers away. The earthquake may be thousands of kilometers away, but the wave starts moving, as I told you, in 2004. They destroy everything in their path. Wherever they are going, they destroy, major destruction everywhere. So tsunami is a natural disaster which is generally caused due to the shaking of the rocks or the beneath the sea, and the waves rises few hundreds meter above and they wash away everything that comes on their path. Thank you, children.